would like to ask, how was your experience at the conclave? ये पकड़ लेती हूँ, sir.
Okay, happy morning. Right. Hi, this is Dr. Pankaj Mishra. I'm Pro Vice Chancellor to Gurukul University, and it's really great to be the part of sixth leadership summit organized by APEC News Media, and it's really fantastic to see the gathering of the senior leadership, vice chancellors, school principals, and senior dignitaries of the higher education, and also the ministers of the education. And skill impact is also wonderful. Many skill professionals has been seen, so it's really great to see. And I really congratulate all the participants and the organizer for this wonderful show. Right.
Thank you so much, sir. And my second question to you is, sir, how do you think technology is going to help transform higher education in India?
Technology is very, very important. If somebody says that ki without technology we can operate, it's very similar like the body and the soul, right? Body has no meaning without the soul. So similarly, the technology is the backbone of the higher education, and I'm very sure that around 1140 plus universities in India, and somewhere 20-25% universities, those who are using the technology very well, are all flourishing like anything. They're expanding their network and their business like anything. Business means educational work what they're doing. So it's really great. But those who are not using the technology, I urge them to use the technology by some or other way. And this time, UGC, AICT, and other bodies also came with the lots of platform. Like recently, if I give some examples, so AICT has the idea of introducing the various initiatives including Anuvadini, then other softwares, tools are available that is imbibed inside only one website. Need not to download other software. Similarly, the biggest LMS of the world is with us, is with India. That is none other than Swam platform. So many technologies, even the government interventions are there that you should use the technology. So it's very important, and everybody should use the technology. And now this is the age of artificial intelligence, large language model. Many solutions like ChatGPT, then Google Gemini, then Microsoft Copilot is there. And if somebody says that I don't want to use the technology, so very similar that if you have a gas cylinder in your home, gas chula at your home, how you are igniting it? Still you are running chakmak pathas to ignite the light? No, you're using the lighter, right? So if you are saying we don't want to use the technology, then better use the chakmak pathar. Just push it back and wait for the fire to come, so that your maybe the cylinder could be half in that way, right? So everybody should use the technology, and institutions are adopting it at very fast pace. India is a country where we have tremendous, capabilities and possibilities. India is a country where 29 is the median age of workforce. We are fortunate enough that around with the various revolutions like 4G and 5G, the Jio and Airtel has given us the cheapest internet. 6.700 rupees per GB data we are giving in India, and that is the cheapest across the world. We are offering cheapest internet. 37% of the populations are equipped with the smartphone.
Yeah.
So if the students are using the mobile phone, other gadgets, faculty members and professors, leadership of the institutions need also to acquaint themselves comfortable with the technology. So this is the time, and in the word of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, yahi samay hai, sahi samay hai. How you can conclude without the technology, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.